Hello, this is Multimedia Gaming, where I am going to be playing a game that I made on Scratch. I will have a link to it. It's not really much of a game, more of a small project that I made or something. Basically, the smiley face. You can have it drink water or feed it. Every 10 minutes, it gains another year. It can survive for 200, so that's over 24 hours, but under 48. So, but I doubt anyone's actually going to be playing it for that many hours on end. And basically, yeah, you click the drink button and the thirst goes up. You click the feed button and the hunger goes up. Every 10 minutes, it will increase in age. Status, actually, yeah, anyway. It will maintain a sort of an emotion face system, but that's based off hunger and thirst. Where, well, if either of them are under 51, so it's 50 or below, it'll be like a flat line. If they're 25 or below, it will be a sad face. And if either of them are at 0, well, he's probably dead by then. So yeah, I can feed him, have him drink. And I'm going to just, I'm just making this video as a small placeholder. I'm going to be making another video today. I'm going to try to make another video today at least, because I haven't made videos for a few weeks probably. So yeah, this is kind of new. Probably have never seen this game before, unless you actually have, in which case, wow. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to be having a link to this game so you can just check it out. I will also have a quick rundown of the code after one of those two is gone. Actually, the drink one, well, it goes down every 3 seconds, hunger goes down every 4, so I can feed him all I want, and it'll be faster anyway, as long as you don't click the drink button, because then the thirst goes up. So yeah, right now we're just waiting, but hey, at least you get to watch a moving smiley face. Oh yeah, soon it's actually going to turn into like a regular flat face, where its mouth is not like curved or anything like that. It's actually just going to be like a flat line. At least as close to flat as I could make using the paint tool. I'm not the best drawer. Yeah, you probably already know that. If I was the best drawer, I would probably have a much better channel art and channel icon. Okay, see, his face just... See, now it is less happy. I'm thinking about like adding speech bubbles for like every once in a while we'll say something, and it will say different things based off what emotion it has at the moment. But that's going to be a future update on this game. One day this game will actually have a lot more. There might be some more stats that don't matter as much but can affect the emotion. Yeah. This game is probably going to take a while for it to actually be completed. Yeah, meanwhile, we're just sitting here waiting and watching. And you might be able to hear music. I'll turn up the volume so you can hear it. Yeah, so music will go on, and the most recent update was basically making it so the music actually changes when it dies. Yeah, you can easily make games like this on scratch.mit.edu, which is actually what I used to make this. And this actually has a lot more code behind it than it might look like. Oh, yes, it is officially sad now. I'm sorry, but this is for science. I must watch you die. That sounds a bit... Yeah, this game... Well, before, I didn't add these buttons yet, so it was like you could just sit there and watch it get sadder and sadder. So that game used to actually be way more sad and dark, until I added these. And it can still die if its age reaches 200. and it only ages up like every 10 minutes. And this video is not going to be 10 minutes long, but still, I promise you, I will 99% chance of me posting another video today. 99% chance. It's pretty good. I might not, though. Most likely I will. I'll try. Might do some, like, Minecraft something. Maybe no, I can't start Skyrim. I can't get it to run. I could start Oblivion. But Oblivion's not as good as Skyrim. I like Skyrim much better. I'm gonna feed him to make him happier. Actually, I'm gonna see. Yeah, I'm going to increase the hunger to maximum. Okay, just keep cooking. Keep cooking. Oh, yes, I forgot to add a script that makes it so those don't keep going up. Oh, and yeah, here's the new music. Yeah. And I guess I forgot to add a thing that makes it so those don't go up anymore. I'll probably have to get that fixed. No, I'm going to pause and go back to the code so you can see behind it. Okay, and we are back. You know, might as well click that. Basically, this is actually a very simple game. This is basically like just for having an icon. When you click that, it will hide the icon. That's basically just what people see when they first open the game. See, it basically looks like that. And the drink button, it's that simple. It just looks like that. The only scripting behind these is when this sprite clicks, change thirst by 1. So basically, when you click on it, it will increase the thirst by 1. And wait, oh, that's what's wrong with this. Because, well, you can't actually like get rid of this when that happens. Which explains why, but it still stays dead anyway. The feed button, exactly the same, except it changes the hunger by 1. And this is, actually the backdrop, basically this is just playing the music. And this is where the majority of the code for the game is, actually. I'll try to go over it. When you click the flag, it will hide the variable speed, because, well, speed, you'll see what that is soon. Set speed to 1. You'll see what that is soon, and it has to do it down there. Then go to x minus 6, y negative 29. That basically is the coordinates it will start off at. And then set thirst to 100. Set hunger to 100. So that's basically making that equal to 100. Set status to alive, because, well, it's not dead, is it? Then wait 0.25 seconds. Because that was basically just so I could get to start off in the middle right away. I didn't have to, but I wanted to. And then it will forever start gliding at speed, which is what this is for. It will glide for 1 second to a random number between there and a random number between there for x and y coordinates. And also, when you click the flag, it will set the age to 0. Forever, it will wait 600 seconds, which is 10 minutes, and then change the age by 1. And this actually has a lot of costumes in it. It has that, more neutral expression. Oh, right, I can't do that. Here, I'll just stop the game. There, so now I can actually show you. See, that's the neutral expression, sad expression, sad. And that one is basically if it reaches the age of 200, and it still is above 100, and it still is above 50 on both those. This one is if it's a neutral expression. That basically is just an extra detail I added. Anyway, whenever I say you did stop all the scripts in the sprite, that basically is stopping all these forever loops. So that also will stop this one, which makes it stop moving. When flag clicked, because, well, when you click the flag, if hunger is greater, it will forever do this. If hunger is greater than 100, it will set it to 100, because it can't go over that. Same with thirst. Then if hunger is greater than 50, and thirst is greater than 50, then set it to custom 1, and then set the speed to 1. Then if the age is 200, it switches to costume 5, sets the stats to dead, and broadcasts that, which basically shuts down the other strips. The reason I did this instead of just stop all is because in this you don't want it to just stop that in general, you want it to change the music. That basically is why I did that. There might be a simpler way, I'm not the smartest person on this. And this is basically it. If it's less than 51 and they both are above 24, this goes to custom 2. And once again, for those costumes, that's basically for when it reaches the age of 200. That's what all those are doing. Meanwhile, there are some... Wait a second, where is this? Oh, right. So, when flight clicked forever, wait 3 seconds to change thirst by -1, so thirst goes down every 3 seconds, and every 4 seconds for hunger. So that's how that part of it works. It actually is all extremely simple if you understand it. And that was all for this time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.